Thanks for joining us today on another episode of Crooked Mustache, where we're going to be unboxing a Chinese boost controller from AliExpress. Stay tuned. So, as I mentioned, I picked this thing up off of AliExpress, and there's a little bit of a backstory. Very quick, I'll explain. So, originally, the reason I was on AliExpress was I was looking for some electronic parts for a DIY project that's coming up pretty soon. Should be the next episode or the episode after that. And basically, when I was looking up boost control parts, this came up. So I'm going to switch my camera here. I'm actually using OBS for recording for the first time. So top down. So anyways, here we go. Now, for some reason, they actually put time sensitive material. I don't know if I would consider it time sensitive. It's electronics. So let's go ahead and tear it open. I'm going to try to keep it on camera. But yeah, I thought this would be kind of fun to see what sub $100 gets you when, you know, the brand name companies, what, $400. So here we go. Okay, being it on front. So everything's pretty well packaged. I'll leave a link. So the one that I purchased was listed as only having one left. I'm sure by now they have another one. But it's pretty much the same boost controller no matter the seller that you purchase it from. So I'll leave a link in the description for this one, so you guys can check it out and see if it's worth it for you. Oh, it's pretty much all contained in one box. Okay, so we'll lose that for a minute. Yes, always cut towards yourself. That is the safe way to do it. There we go. There we go. So something's already punched through. Hopefully. Oh, that's a hard fitting. Hopefully that's not important. So, wow. Well, yeah. I'm not sure if we're off to a good start, but there you go. So this appears to be the main head unit. So on the back, some connections for various harnesses that may connect. I think I remember that this thing had a turbo timer programmed into it, which I won't be utilizing. Guessing this is a boost filter that survived. Some hardware. This is one of your harnesses. Oh, okay, here we go. So here's a high frequency boost solenoid. So I was actually in search of this part itself. So this is the actual part I was looking for when I was looking on AliExpress. Just an actual solenoid by itself, and this is a 3-port. Little card there. So this is nothing special. It's a 3-port solenoid. Right here, you've got your brass fittings. As I already said, the unit, and then here are your harnesses. So I'm guessing this is red and black. This is clearly for power. And I may have to, if there isn't a manual in here, there is not a manual in here. So I'm gonna have to refer, bear with me 1 second. I'm gonna have to refer to their website. So I actually had to pull it up here. I'll put a page so you guys can see it. Okay, so according to this unit, okay, so that bracket was most of the weight that I was feeling. It's actually pretty light. So it looks like it can be, you know, mounted wherever you want, probably inside one of the pockets. Maybe if you have a single DIN radio, this can go in the pocket below. Okay, so since there's no literature, and then this is just boost hose. That's for your pressure source. Okay, so according to their website, this thing has a built-in voltmeter, a high-low gain setting, a high-low boost setting, a start boost setting, a peak and last boost feature, a boost warning and limit feature, and manual or auto turbo timer settings. So basically just to keep your car on so that you can cool everything down. It also has according to them, a altitude correction feature and 2-channel switching, able to control NOS or intercooler spray with on-off setting at any given boost. So that's pretty cool. That's an actual trigger switch that can trigger anything at a given boost pressure. It can actually, you know, switch on, as they're saying, a water fogger system for your intercooler, or if you have nitrous on your car as well. So yeah, it appears, actually, according to their picture here, the screen a little bit. So it's supposed to include a vacuum tee, which is not there. Again, I wasn't really expecting it. Oh, actually, it was supposed to be there. Okay, making sure that I didn't miss anything. Okay, so one of the things. Oh, and as I said, temporarily out of stock. So I'm sure this is still available. I'm gonna link. I'm gonna make sure that the link that I provide is from another seller that does have it. They run about $100 once they're shipped. They charge $20 shipping through their new shipper, which is called Kainiao Standard Air. I'm actually pretty satisfied with it. I ordered it. Took about 2 weeks to get here. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. 2 weeks for an order from China where it used to be 30 to 60 days. I'm not gonna complain. Just kind of surprised it could include the vacuum tee. Obviously, it's not a deal breaker. Oh, no, wait, no. There are my instructions. They're one of the photos in the ad. There we go. So, there are my instructions. They're in the actual item description, not in the box, which would have been nice. So there you go. What you have is, and also let me switch cameras here. There we go. So you've got your boost control unit, or as they say, your BCU bracket with mounting hardware in order to install it, your boost control solenoid, and then you've got your various harnesses for power, obviously the boost control to the solenoid, and then the turbo timer, which we're not going to be using that feature. And then you've got your boost filter. I'm sure this is to protect the sensitive electronics. And then the last thing that is included, it is worth mentioning, they do include it. I don't know if I would call it super high quality, but they do include vacuum hose. I'm going to try to install it with the included parts. I keep checking the box in hopes that I missed something, but this box did not have the easiest time. So if you liked our video, give us a like, subscribe so you're always up to date with all of our upcoming content, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time we post a new video. For Crooked Mustache, I'm Alfred. Dale. We'll see you next time.